Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Bobcat MT 85. It's a little mini track loader that is stood on from behind. First things first, machinery serial number is always on the left hand side. You can scan the barcode if you need it to get it in the app. Has the model of your manufacturer. Everything's on that plate. Next thing, where are we going to mount this box? A million places to do it, right? If you can open up this panel on the back, you can mount the box right on the side. You got 4 self-tappers all the way in, check mark facing out. Of course, cord is going to the bottom. Everything is pulled through and zip tied inside. And when you open this up, you'll see what we've done is we've zip tied it all the way through, and it's going up to the front. That's that. Make sure you get your hours on the machine, not your mileage. These are pretty easy to work on. If we come around to the side here, this is the engine bay. Don't put anything in the engine bay. It gets too hot in there. It has a built-in radiator just to keep things cool. What we have done is we have actually gone to, there's a big square plug, rectangular plug, I should say. There is a red and white wire that you can hook your constant 12 to. You can actually self-tap a ground to the side of this fuse box. That's what this is over here. So make sure you zip tie all of your wiring. I suggest using 3 only because this is going to move a little bit, but not too bad. You want to watch out for this rod down here. This is I think like a throttle controller or something, or a steering control rod. This gets warm right here. This is your hydraulic pump, so don't attach anything to that. There's a safety on the side. This will fold down right into here. So when you open this up, make sure you use the safety so you don't end up getting hurt while you're doing this. That's pretty much it. This covers like the MT85, the MT100. Also, on some of these, you will see a 2-pin plug, not like this, but almost the kind of same style. It's a weather pack plug. It'll have a red and a black. Guess what? That's hot and ground. So feel free to use that if it's inside of the machine or you happen to see it hanging down. It kind of looks like this right here. You can see that plug right down right there. Kind of looks like that, except 2 wires, red and black. And again, it's coming out of the bundle. And feel free to use that. It's actually for extra accessories or telematics on the Bobcat. So there you go. 2020 to 2022 Bobcat mini walk behind track loaders. Enjoy.